Okay, so, sorry, my camera died. So, Mr. Marks asks, have they held auditions before? And obviously Zane answers no. So Mr. Marks suggests that they use the classroom next door to the music classroom. Reël net voor die tyd met my en nou moet julle ons asseblief verskoon. Ek is seker die skoolorkes is nie julle twee se idee van 'n band nie. So he says they're welcome to use it. They must just ask for permission. But they must please leave now because he's pretty sure that the school orchestra is not their idea of a band. Wat van donderdagmiddag, meneer? Ek glo dit nie. So, Zane asks what about Thursday afternoon? And Tian can't believe that Zane is going forth with this idea. Meneer Marks draai verbaas om. Daar verskyn iets tussen 'n frons en 'n glimlag op sy gesig. Wel, dit behoort nie 'n probleem te wees nie. So, Zane asks if they can use it Thursday. And Mr. Marks is surprised, but excited because he's smiling. So he says it shouldn't be a problem. Zane baie impressed met homself, toe hy na die verbaasde lede van die skoolorkes draai. So julle het gehoor, donderdagmiddag na skool is daar audisies vir ons band. So Zane turns to the orchestra and he's pretty chuffed with himself. And he tells them, so you've heard now, we are holding auditions on Thursday afternoon. So if you look at the little note that Tian has left for himself, he says, musiekklaskamers is van die gevaarlikste plekke op aarde. Music classrooms are one of the most dangerous places on earth.